understanding the line you took.
Well, there's yellow tape up there.
That's on that fence.
No, I didn't know that.
I was going to say, it looked to me it's either safer to go on this side of the tree or that side of the tree.
I changed my mind. I know how good that's going to look.
I'll only show it to two different types of people, men and women.